and a very good afternoon to you all. It is indeed an honor, and I'm very much indebted to the given this opportunity in officiating as a chief guest for the national event being celebrated in this school, the Fiji Day, the Teachers' Day, and the Children's Day 2014. This year, the Fiji Day theme, celebrating Fiji's new dawn. The great philosopher Swami Vivekananda once said, "Education is the manifestation of perfection already in men." On this note, I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to the school being a tool to extract that perfection from within you students to be manifested that assist in creating a new dawn for our beloved Fiji. From your very humble beginning in February 1957, under the name of Lautoka Muslim High School, with a total roll of approximately 100 students, your school has grown considerably both physically and educationally, recording a total of 600 students enrolled and currently studying. Lautoka Muslim College, I've been told, is the oldest Fiji Muslim League school, and providing education to those students who may come from a low socio-economic background, being children of casual laborers and also of low-wage earners. I sincerely applaud the commitment of the school in supplementing the effort of the government on creating conducive environment to build a better multicultural society. This is manifested in the school's enrollment, with even composition of various racial groups in the students and staff population being renowned for its multiculturalism. The excellence of the program discharged by the school, targeting at building better students, does not only confine to academic, but also to extracurricular activities as well. On academic aspect, I've been told the school has been producing very good academic results, being now regarded as a high-performing schools in terms of Form 6 and Form 7 external exam achievements. As for extracurricular activities are concerned, I've also been told Lautoka Muslim College was the champion of the under-15 rugby in 2013, and the only school so far to have fielded 6 Indo-Fijians in the under-14 Dean's quarterfinal of 2008. It was the enduring effort of the stakeholders' involvement, directly and indirectly, that saw the perpetual improvement of the school from its inception to date. It is apparent also that the school structure has expanded from its initial to the current location, as well as continuous improvement in its achievement all facets of its deliverables. I warmly congratulate the school on the witnessed continuous improvement, ultimately supporting the effort of the government in building a nation of high literacy rate. Today, we are celebrating a new dawn for Fiji, and definitely a new Fiji. We have a new government with a new constitution that will take us forward. It is with great pleasure to say that this is a new beginning for all Fijians. Looking at the efforts and the achievement of the school, they are all streamlined towards the national intent of building a better Fiji for all. In this regard, I urge all stakeholders of the school to continue with your effort by which the outcome will benefit individual students, will also benefit their families, and also benefit the nation as a whole. We will continue to build better citizens and future leaders of a country through integrated effort between the government and the public. It is the individual effort of the students, teachers, and all stakeholders that has elevated the school performance to another level. Without you students, there will be no teachers and no school. Without you teachers, effective learning will not take place. Hence, it is the cluster of individual contributions, teachers and children, that produces desired outcome. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the school management, the principal and staff for the dedication and commitment in providing support and guidance on the education of our students. Let us continue to work together, eliminate all forms of differences that exist in our midst as we sail through this new era for Fiji. We need to develop new thinking attitudes and be optimistic at all times to achieve more within the new environment of a new Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, may the school continue to prosper in all aspects of its commitment, and may the Lord continue to guide us as we journey through a new Fiji.
Absolutely, round of applause.